Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to make spoiler image on Discord mobile. So for this purpose, first you need to open files on your mobile device. Once you open files, then choose the image which you want to make spoiler. So here I select this image. Just tap on this image and rename it. Once you tap on image, then this type of page will pop up. Here you have the option of rename, click on it. Then cut this all text from under the picture and here rename it as spoiler/example.jpg. Once you have done it, then go to your Discord mobile. Then here choose the friend to whom you want to send this image. Once you open chat of that person, then here at the bottom left you have this plus icon, click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of files, click on it and choose that image which we had renamed. Once you select that image, then click on send button. In a while, you can see that image changed to spoiler. So once you click on that image, you can see it. Otherwise, it's look like spoiler. So this way you can easily make spoiler image on Discord mobile. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.